Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your Eastern Bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and at the address bar type in easternbank.com and click on enter. Now you will be directed to the official homepage of Eastern Bank. You can select which account you want to get logged in, either it is personal or business account. There are also many types of business accounts. You can select it by clicking on this drop-down menu. Now, if you are logging into personal account, click on this tab and type in your username. You can check this box to save your username for further uses. Now click on sign in button. If you have other accounts, click on this drop-down menu and select it accordingly. After clicking on sign in button, you need to type in your password. After typing in your password, click on sign in button to log in to your Eastern Bank account. If you have forgotten a username or password, click on this link and select the options accordingly, and you can follow the instructions and reset it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.